Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from JessicaLynnOriginal, and I thought it'd be fun today to draw up one of the Nova Corps Starblaster ships. Now you might say, what the heck is this? How would I know this thing? It is from Guardians of the Galaxy, and they just opened up a brand new ride down at EPCOT, and it's called the Guardians of the Galaxy's Cosmic Rewind. I cannot wait to go. So I thought, well, I can't go there now, so how about I just sit and draw it up? So I drew this up, and I'm going to color it in. And I'm going to turn it into a full card. And as you saw earlier, not only did I make the ship, but I put up a nice little sentiment. And it says, from Rocket, why would you want to save the galaxy? And Star-Lord says, because I'm one of the idiots that live in it. So, I'm super excited for this ride. There are so many POV, point of view videos. It looks like so much fun. I cannot wait. We have to wait a little bit though. But I promise you when we go, we will definitely, bring some footage back for you guys. Footage from around the area, some shopping, some stuff like that. So it'll be a lot of fun. But I thought while I have to wait, I will sit and draw this really fun version of the Starblaster ship. I really think it's kind of cool looking. So, alright, we're going to use colored in with lots of Copics. We're going to do different shades of yellow to kind of build it up. Because it's kind of a nice honey golden color, but it still has some brighter yellow in it, so I'll definitely make sure to incorporate all of that. And again, just by building up those colors of yellow in person, it looks so cool. It looks so much like the ship like when I finish, so I can't wait for you to see it. But building up those colors, going in for the shadows. One thing I will say, my black ink pen smears a little bit, so I'm going to try to use that to my advantage to make it look like shadowing. But so far, pretty happy with what I'm seeing. I love how this is turning out. Now it does sit on a base, So I tried to draw the base in there. We're just shadowing that in with some gray. And I just want to take a moment while we're just hanging out here coloring just to say thank you so much for watching my channel. It means a lot to me. If you are new here, welcome. I'm glad you joined. I am a huge fan of Disney and art and cartooning and children's books and all that good stuff, so I do a lot of illustrations for all of the above. So my channel is a little mismatch, and that's kind of what I love about it. It is very much me. I love being able to show when we go to these places. I love being able to show like my art inspired by the locations I travel to. I love being able to show like reviews and events. So it's a little of everything. I would say it's a little current modern pop culture sort of, because I do a lot of stuff like Stranger Things and Disney and whatever. But I would love to have you subscribe if you've never before. It costs nothing. It just reminds you when a new video goes up. So if you click that subscribe button down below. The other thing we have is if you're like, you know, I think this is awesome and I want to help support your channel, we do have a little support that you can click on, and that will send over a donation, and we use that money to buy new markers, new video cameras, new stuff like that to keep our channel fun and current. So yeah, but if you just you know, can't do any of that, just share our videos out. You know, if you're like, this is so cool, you guys have to see this ride video shoot your, that's cool too. So as you can see now, I went in and put all the grays, and now I'm going to go back in and put in some blue, because the ship itself has like my husband loves that color. It's his favorite color. It's the color he wants of his next car, but it's like this grayish blue color. I don't know what even, steel blue, right? Like in, whatchamacallit. But it's a really cool color, and basically what I'm doing is we're building up shades of gray with this blue, because if I would have just went in and colored it blue, it would have been probably too much. So I think this is going to be the right shade of blue. I'm super excited. And then we'll go over it with some gray to kind of tone it down a little. But I think this is going to look pretty great. Now, for the card, I wanted to keep it very simple because I like to focus on the art. So what I'm going to do is, if you ever look at pictures of this new NovaCorp Starblaster, it's literally that beautiful Orlando bright blue sky, and the new building, well, the building they rehashed, which used to be Ellen's Energy, is just sort of a big gray building. And they did it on purpose so that the ship would kind of stand out in front of it. And so all I'm going to do is sort of make, in essence, the blue background with the gray building. I think that's going to look great. And so now we've got the background. Now you might say, well, that's really simplistic. And that's the goal, because if you actually look at pictures, And that's all it looks like. And from there, I just have to pull my hair up here really quick because it got hot in my office today. Holy cow. I don't want to shut the air, shut the windows down to turn the air, because that's what we've been waiting for, right? Is summer. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut this out, and I'm going to just fussy cut it out. A lot of people tell me that I use the Brother Scan and Cut a lot, and I do. But I've been trying to give it a little bit of a rest and show that, I can cut all this stuff out too. Fussy cutting really is just about a good pair of scissors and patience. So we're going to go ahead and cut it out with just a small 1/16 of an inch, maybe a little bit bigger, white border around it. It's one of the things I do love about the Brother Scan and Cut is it makes those perfect. I can make them close, but not quite as perfect. So we're going to go ahead and just cut this all out. And then we'll add our sentiment and assemble. This looks so cool. This card would be so cool for someone who's like going to EPCOT for the first time, or maybe going there to go ride this ride specifically, or somebody who's like, oh my gosh, I loved it. I think that'd be so much fun for them to, get this card and be like, you did it. Or like for a kid maybe who's scared, but then they did it, and this is kind of like their way to go reward, and maybe you put like a little Disney gift card inside or something sweet. So we're just going to cut this out. And then we're going to put it up into the sky. And the card should be pretty close to done. Again, don't forget to sign the back of your cards. Very, very important. And then we're just going to crease that nice so it kind of just folds. There we go. And again, don't forget to go ahead and I'd love to hear from you. Be sure to go ahead and give this video a like so that people go, oh, cool. I'll take a look at this. Again, I draw all the art that you see, so be sure to visit our website, which is just JessicaLynnOriginal.com. I do want to say thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment down below. Take care, everybody. I hope that you have a great day.